Okay, we're now sharing our screens. I'll close that. We want to shut down our Raspberry Pi on our FIAB in a safe and secure manner. So we're going to use the Secure Shell app. I've deliberately deleted all my previous connections. And so very simply, I can create a connection. I'll call this one my FIAB. And I'll deliberately do this without putting the format in there, because that will pre-configure this if you use it correctly. I know that the username is Pi, and that my host name is, for me, FIAB dev. However, on the FIAB Pis that are sent out, on the factory in the boxes, it's FIAB Pi.local, as is indicated on the worksheet. So just for me, I'll use that one. And the port is a standard port, which is port 22. And then I hit enter to connect. That connection will be saved for next time, and that will be done. So very quickly, I get the password request. I'm going to put the default password in. I have access now to the terminal, or the shell. And I can power off the machine. I can use two commands, sudo power off or sudo shutdown -H now. The shorter one is power off. I hit return. I lose its connection and the machine will shut down. I'm going to give it a few seconds and then I'll be able to power off or pull the power from my Raspberry Pi. And that is how you safely shut down your Raspberry Pi using the Secure Shell app within Chrome on your supplied Chromebook.